Once there was a man who was a widower. He had only one son, a teenage boy. Soon after his wife had died, he decided to get married. And he married a woman who was younger than him. Everything went well between them. But there was something really strange that he noticed every morning. His wife would refuse to eat breakfast. She would only have an excuse. "Oh, I'm not feeling well today. Oh, last night I had too much to eat and it just doesn't feel right." The man's son thought this was very strange, and he believed the woman was hiding something. So one day, instead of leaving the house with his father to go to work, the boy decided to stay. And he hid somewhere. And he saw the woman walk in her bedroom and slowly getting undressed. And he heard her sing a song, a beautiful song. La 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 la. And as she sang, her body began to change. First her legs, then the rest of her body, and then her neck. Her neck grew long, and she grew a beak and wings. And then the boy saw her fly out the window straight for the lake. Well, this is what happened every day after breakfast. She would go straight to the lake and eat fish and crab until she felt satisfied. And then she would go back home, regain her female body, and go about her business as if nothing had happened. "Father, your wife, she's a witch." The man would not believe his son. "Father, your wife is a witch. I saw her with my own eyes." The boy told him the story of how he had seen the woman. The boy told him everything he had seen. And so he insisted so much that the father decided to remain at home one morning instead of going to work. And he hid somewhere. And he watched as his wife walked into the bedroom and slowly began to undress herself. And then he heard her sing that song. "Gidika dika wang wa." And so he walked in that bedroom and he started singing too. "Gidika dika wang wa." "Oh, please, please don't sing that song. It reminds me of my granny." But it was too late. He kept on singing and her body kept on changing. And so her neck grew long and she grew a beak. And as her body was transforming into a bird, she realized her husband was holding a knife. And so, in the blink of an eye, her wings burst open and she flew out the window, never to be seen again.